This is my front emblem, of course, and for some reason it's starting to get a big bulge right here, a warped area where the plastic, I think that is coming up off of the grooves of the sunburst. Can you see that? See, here's a better one. It's supposed to be flat so you can see all the sunburst. This outer trim ring is glossy black too, and the newer one is semi-flat black. And there's a couple of tiny pits on that one, but this really bothers me. If you push on it, you can kind of feel it flexing. It seems like it's going to crack. Now to get to it, you have to get under the car, reach under there and unscrew a couple of nut washers like this one, and then you can lift it up. There's no glue or double side sticky tape or anything. So I've unscrewed the washers. Alright, let's see if I have to, it's stuck. I need to push up from the bottom. There we go. And there we go. Okay, so I've got some dirt here, and all that will be covered again, so you can get as anal about this as you want to, or just put the new emblem on. I'm gonna try and wipe it down a little bit here. Might as well. I think I'll take a little waxing pad and see if I can get a little more of that up. There, that's better. Looks like there's a little, what is that? Let me get, let's see here. Alright, yeah, it looks like there's a little paint chip there too. Maybe somebody tried to stick a, can you see that right there? Maybe they tried to stick a screwdriver or something on the edge and pop it off or something. I don't know. Okay, so we're going to replace this one with the bulging, distorted strangeness for this one. Much brighter. I think that it will reflect the sunlight a lot better. That sunburst will look fantastic. So all we have to do is remove the washer nuts and there we go, and then insert the bolts through the pre-drilled holes and tighten from below. Again, no double-sided tape or other adhesives required.